Hello everyone, my name is Lena and I'm from the Notman Group and the Gibson Group at the University of Warwick. Today I'm going to show you how to load two structure files simultaneously, and this is useful for visualizing two simulations side by side and can save time in presentations. So the two structures I'm looking to work with is the 1WFA protein and it's the winter flounder protein. You can download this from the RCSB PDB website and just by going to download files and download the text file. So this has been covered in previous tutorials. The other structure is the 1KDF. Again, you download this here on the right hand side, and this is an ocean pout antifreeze protein. So I've already done this for one of the proteins and I will open up the second one for you to see. So the structure I already have is the 1WFA. So I open this up in VMD by typing VMD and the name of the structure file with the and sign at the end, and that opens it up in the background. From this we should get three windows. The first window to pop up is the display window, which shows you your protein. The second is the main window, which gives you the name of your molecule or your file that you've opened, the number of atoms and the number of frames that loaded in. You also get a molecule ID, which basically assigns the ID for your files. And the third is a TK console. So in some versions of VMD, this doesn't open up automatically. So what you do is go to extensions, and to the bottom of that is the TK console, and you'll get this display window. The next thing to do is to open up the 1KDF, and we do this by going to extensions, data, and PDB database query. And in this we can type in the PDB code, which is 1KDF, and we load this into the new molecule in VMD. In a second we should see the second structure here, and all you have to do is toggle the first structure. You can close this now, and then after clicking the display window you can press the equal sign, and this should resize the display to fit both molecules. So the aim of this tutorial is to move the 1WFA to be further up in the Y direction, and so the two protein structures can be seen simultaneously. And the way we do this is by working with the molecule IDs. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The molecule ID for 1WFA is 0, and the molecule ID for 1KDF is 1. So, yeah. So to do this, we tell VMD to assign a variable, the molecule ID, and then we move that variable around. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. You want to set cell. So cell is our variable. VMD has commands already used to apply certain functions or certain behaviors. So to select the atoms in the molecule ID, we say atom select, and the molecule ID is 0, and we want to select all the atoms in the 1WFA file. So we do set cell is the variable, and this variable calls for a selection of all the molecules in molecule ID 0, and we click enter. So VMD should confirm the selection by printing out atom select 0. Next we want to move this in the y direction by 30. So we type $cell move by. So we want to move by 0 in the x direction, 30 in the y direction, and 0 in the z direction. And we click enter. There you have it. You can see the 1WFA has been moved upwards. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope it was quite useful, and please do check out my other tutorials. I'll have quite a few more coming up later. Have a good day.